Day one of the wing recover. We've made a big mess. All of these threads are parts we cut out from rib stitching. Rib stitching is where we sew the fabric around the rib to hold it on to the wing. Clean it up and start the recover process.